late and it's still under construction. Yeah, they haven't yet put the iron sheets, but they have finished putting the ceiling. So they are still waiting for the ceiling to get dry because it is indeed a concrete ceiling. So they are waiting for it to get dry. Then afterwards they will be putting the iron sheets up. And then later on we shall get a machine because we want our ceiling to look white. So we shall just get a machine and it will spray a white color on the iron sheets. Yeah, as we want everything to be white in color. Yeah, so let me take you throughout the whole process and you see what is indeed happening. So this is the front.
Section 1, a call to leave the cities. The perils of the cities. Few realize the importance of shunning so far as possible all associations unfriendly to religious life. In choosing their surroundings, few make their spiritual prosperity the first consideration. Parents flock with their families to the cities because they fancy it easier to obtain a livelihood there than in the country. The children, having nothing to do when not in school, obtain a street education. From evil associates they acquire habits of vice and dissipation. The parents see all this, but it will require a sacrifice to correct their error, and they stay where they are until Satan gains full control of their children. Better sacrifice any and every worldly consideration than to imperil the precious souls committed to your care. They will be assailed by temptations and should be taught to meet them, but it is your duty to cut off every influence, to break up every habit, to sunder every tie that keeps you from the most free, open, and hearty committal of yourselves and your family to God. Instead of the crowded city, seek some retired situation where your children will be, so far as possible, shielded from temptation, and there train and educate them for usefulness. The prophet Ezekiel thus enumerates the causes that led to Sodom's sin and destruction. Pride, fullness of bread, and abundance of idleness was in her and in her daughters. Neither did she strengthen the hands of the poor and needy. All who had escaped the doom of Sodom must shun the course that brought God's judgments upon that wicked city. Testimonies, Volume 5, page 232 and 233, 1882. City living, not God's plan. The world over, cities